चैनल्स को यूट्यूब पे सब्सक्राइब करें और इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करें।
बारगाह हज़रत सैयद शाह अबुल फ़तह बंदगी बादशाह क़ादरी ज़िले निज़ामाबाद के सजदनशीन मौलाना अबुल फ़तह सैयद बंदगी बादशाह क़ादरी अलमारूफ़ रियाज़ पाशा साबिक़ रुकन रियासती हज कमेटी मुत्तहिदा आंध्र प्रदेश व मुख्तलिफ़ समाजी तंजीमों के तर्जुमान ने आज कैश ग्रैंड रकूमात जागिर मोटेशन के अवज़ में अदा किए जाने वाली रकूमात के इजाफ़े पर रोशनी डाली।
Commutation is act is after the Jagir Abolition Act. Government has introduced the Jagir Commutation Act because this Jagir Commutation Act is an umbrella for the Jagirs which is granted towards rendering of services. Towards rendering of services means the continuous, consistent rendering services to the institutions on which name the Jagir is granted. The most of the religious institution having the object of Waqf is Sulsa Sulsan. 1/3 goes to the person who is rendering the services for his livelihood, and 1/3 goes to the institution for fulfilling the object of the Waqf and render the services to the institution and upkeeping the maintenance and day-to-day affairs of the institution, such as annual Ursa Sharif and maintenance, lightning, all other facilities to visiting pilgrims also. Moreover, the another 1/3 goes to the Bradari, that's called the children of the ex-farmers chairperson Sajjada Nasheen Mutawalli, who is the chief custodian. In that way, the most of the muntakabs issued, and accordingly the Jagir administrator will issue the award, and the same will pass on to the accountant general, and accountant general will issue a pay order, Jagir commutation payment order, and then pension payment officer concerned will disburse the commutation amount. It's nothing but Jagir commutation pension. It is really quite amusing to note that though the government has every time come up in the PRC with 33 to 40% enhancement with time to time interim relief, and there is no change in Jagir commutation enhancement. It is a natural process which has to be implemented every 5th year, 3rd year, whenever the PRC is coming. And moreover, it is you can notice that the Jagir income is also enhanced, and Jagir value of the particular Jagir is also enhanced 1,000 number of times compared to the what at the time of commutation fixed and abolition take place. When this amount is granted towards rendering that to be continuous and consistent rendering of services, the present living index, how can it allow to serve the services in the sum of rupees 211 and 633 per quarter? It is for a cause and for a purpose to fulfill the object of Waqf. The government in revenue department is also obtained law opinion that lies in favor of the enhancement of Jagir commutation. It is not on permanent basis, it needs to be enhanced with the present living index. It's clearly the law opinion lies in favor of this enhancement issue. After the inception of Minorities Welfare Department, it is the responsibility of the Minorities Secretary to implement and issue a suitable order. And see that the practical disbursement should be made. At this point of time, we requested for ad hoc advancement. Later, the government can take a comprehensive decision and issue the order the book adjustment can be made by the revenue department. There is a procedure when they enhance attack on the basis of granting it in minority welfare department. Later, a book adjustment can be made by the revenue department since the head of account lies in the revenue department.